We had a 7:45 class. You can only imagine. It's the multi-talented. It's rubbish. You don't know it, right? Rubbish. What's up everybody and welcome to my YouTube channel. I go by the name of Seetsi and I hope you do enjoy the video. If you do like the content, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to the video for more. Let's get into the video. What's up everybody and welcome to a day in my life. I just want to say this week has been really good, man. This week has been really good. Today I think I'm gonna attend the last it's already 8 o'clock and we had a 7:45 class. You can only imagine 7:45. I'm not crazy. I'm just gonna attend the last class of the day. Actually it's 7:50 guys. I'm just gonna attend the last class of the day. I'm using game for the 7:45. So I wanted to share with you that we got our scripts every other day. Should I close this window? We got our scripts the other day. Let me show you. Hey bana, wanyiwa. Let me show you something. Got our scripts the other day. Yeah, let me tell you something about these things. That it went pretty well. Semester 1, we revamped everything nicely. Yeah, we did really good. But the thing is, with this script, I remember the other day when we were fetching the script and I'm like looking at how my friends, they are crying. They're like, Johnny and everything needs how. But I keep voice notes in it. The same person sent me a voice note. Hi, Mina, I wrote well. Hi, Nangati. Hi, the paper was hard. I wrote only multiple choice and true or false. But why not it's hi. You learn to you are found in life, you learn to study, you get what I'm saying? That's why you don't leave the examination room without filling up your paper. Even if you don't know rubbish, write rubbish, you get what I'm saying? Actually it's rubbish, you don't know it, write rubbish. Because at the end of the day, you might never know. But anyways, I'm just gonna clean my room and do my bed and shower and I don't know. Yeah. But anyways, let's go. It's the multi-talented. You are not enough for me.
Even days will feel like months. We come for you, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. Guess I'm doing what I want. Hope you do what you want.
Baby, but she don't love me, she's too scary. My hope is fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna love her, she too down. Will you be my leading lady?
I'm just gonna start off with doing a schedule for everything that I'm gonna do today. The things I wanna study today. You get what I'm saying? Till late. So yeah, guys, today is not that cold, guys. Considering the fact that we live by the beach. Yo.
Thank you for wanting a verse from me.
What's up, Vogue? I go by the name of Seetsi, an award-winning superstar, sensational musician, global sensational. I'm just here to show you what's in my bag. For the first item I have in my bag, my phone and my other pouch. Yes, my charger. Because I have two phones. Then I have my wireless pods. I love this so much. They are very essential. I have my Spara box, my book, my charger, my student ID, my house keys, my keys, calculator, my pen, and then my what? And then my PC. Yeah, hope you guys have a nice day watching this sensational global superstar. Yeah, enough about jokes, guys. I'm late. I'm very, very late. Because you see, this motherfucking thing, it's too huge. So let me do it to so.
To everybody else, it would just all be bad. But I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make you mad. But maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that.
Cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm dead. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You know what I'm saying. You'll try to come back when you're fake. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not bad. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You wanna hear me out when you make it. You'll try and come back when you're famous. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not base. You wanna get with me, stop. Those on this side, those over on this side. Hey, told me about all your insecurities for what? Dragged me like 2 hours to your family's house for what? Said you need some time, but I should stick around for what? Always felt like sticking around's the same as being stuck. That's that shit that drives me crazy. And like guns with the aching, and getting under my skin. Pretty little young thing, had a nigga convinced, got me too excited. Yeah. You play me, you play me. You my heart, boy, this can't be the first time. We my heart, for the still version of mine. I'm looking for some things that I've never. You got that shit that somebody will love for, but won't try. Some things that I think that I can find. Give me all back, oh yeah. Why is this so for me? Oh yeah, just say, alright. Oh yeah, oh yeah. You wanna get with me, stop it.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give can't be replaced. So no one else can do. That's why I don't mind. Spend my life with you. I wanna please you any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Love is no one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is no one in a million. It goes on and on and on.
As I've said, this semester we are going hard. So I've been working non-stop. So I thought, let me just come on campus and find a free class that has nobody so that I can push my schoolwork. Actually, I want to push for 5 hours at least so that I cover the work at least, because I have so much work for anatomy. It's piled up and now we are dealing with the heart and everything. So I really have to understand the concept of the heart and what's going on with the arteries, the what veins, which is like I'm trying to even catch up even now. You get what I'm saying? So it's a lot of work itself. So I have to come on campus because when I'm at rest, there are a lot of temptations. So immediately when I see my bed, and it's actually cold, guys, immediately when I see my bed, I will think of making a tea and sleeping. And I have a tendency to I will study on my study table, and I will just immediately go to bed. So to avoid those temptations, I just came on campus to push my schoolwork. So one advice to you guys: if you know temptations towards procrastinating, avoid them. Just go to a space where you know you're gonna be productive. You get what I'm saying?
And you do to me, love everything about you. Your smile